So how are you doing? Here's a good old Dell Latitude 7490. The battery here swollen up real bad. And how do I know it? Look how the touchpad is raised and the bottom cover has this little gap and does not fully close anymore. You can just feel the battery pushing at the plastic. I got a new battery from Amazon, and it's a 5-minute job to replace it. First, unscrew these 8 screws. Oh, look at this fatty. It looks like it's ready to pop. Right. Let's detach the power cable and unscrew 2 screws and take it out. And here's my brand new 60-watt battery. It's important to say that Dell have this dirty trick. They never supply this little cable with the new battery, so you have to keep your old cable and not throw it out by mistake. This actually happened to me and I had to buy the cable separately. Anyway, just attach the cable to the new battery and put everything back together and you're good to go. Don't forget to fully charge your new battery on first use. Stay in school.